Okay, I don't know whether this is part 5. But I reckon my phone is going to run out of either storage or battery by the time she finishes what she's doing. I don't even know whether she's ever sat in one place for this long before. Let alone on my leg. So I hate that there's like... it goes out of focus. I need to get a new phone, which sucks because I bought this phone like a couple months ago. It's the most expensive phone I've ever purchased as well, and straight away, screen started getting scratched, and the charger the other day, and the new charger that I've got is draining the battery quite dramatically. It was a 3-day long battery. It's turned to like an 8-hour long battery now. I've only had it 2 months. Plus the issues that I've been having with the making videos and having the sound be in sync. I mean, to be fair, they're all staying in similar spaces. It's been rather quiet today, actually. Oh, because of... oh, you're making some noise. She's gonna fly. I don't know. She's very undecided as to what to do. Can't say I really blame her. And he's like, make up your mind, what are you gonna do? Oh, 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 oh. She's gonna fly off in a second. Question is she gonna have a poo before she does it?